While the pharmaceutical industry generally manufactures products in discrete batch processes, we are introducing innovative solutions to help simplify the supply chain and speed the delivery of medicines to the market. We are building a state-of-the-art continuous manufacturing suite that revolutionizes how medicines are made. The main difference is materials are processed in a continuous stream. Starting materials are fed into the process at one end. The materials flow through one or more unit operations, and final product is collected at the other end. Fully integrated and uninterrupted, the process is not restricted to a predetermined batch size.